Hi, I'm here once again with Alex Perez, the founder of Spectrum Advisory Group. Alex, when I think about life insurance, I think about a tool, an estate planning tool that goes to my family if something happens to me. It's not very exciting to think about. Are there other uses, though, besides the death benefit to my family while I'm alive?
It's a great question. There are many uses for life insurance, Spike. We all want to live a long time. So what type of benefits do we have for the life insurance? One is there's going to be cash value that you can use possibly for college planning. One key benefit is when you save money in a life policy for college planning, it doesn't go against when you file for financial aid. It doesn't count against you.
Now, how exactly does that work, though? I contact the insurance company. I say, I would like a certain amount. Do I have to pay taxes on it? Do I have to pay on the growth that's inside there?
You don't pay a dime in tax. So the important part is to work with your advisor like me. And we plan accordingly to save enough money. So when your child graduates from college, they have a pool of money that you help them pay their college student loans or tuition or whatever it may be. It's there for their use and it's completely tax-free, doesn't count against them. So college planning is number one. Retirement income is second. Creating a lifetime of income that's completely tax-free could be a benefit. We all know inflation has been going up, taxes are going up. So some type of mechanism that provides a tax-free income is a must now.
Okay, now I got to ask you, how does that work?
Same way as college planning. So you're borrowing your own money, and because you're borrowing, it's tax-free to you as an individual. It doesn't go towards any type of 1099 or W-2. It's completely tax-free.
Borrowing my own money that I've paid into an index universal life policy.
That is correct.
And then I can use that tax-free. Can I use that on anything I want? Can I use that for the fishing boat?
Absolutely. You can use your cash value for anything that you want as a loan. And the good news is you never have to pay it back.
I was just going to, do I have to pay this back to myself?
You do not have to pay it back. So in the police world, they typically go to their 457 to borrow money. Well, they do have to pay it back or it becomes taxable. In life insurance policies, you do not have to pay it back because it gets collateralized against your death benefit. So if you pass away, your loan gets paid by the death benefit.
So if I have a $500,000 life insurance policy and I borrowed $50,000 for myself, it's just my family would get paid out on $450,000, not the $500,000.
That's correct.
Is it also increasing over time, or does that depend on if I'm using indexing or what kind of insurance?
You're talking about your cash value or your death benefit?
Well, I think what I'm trying to do is ask for them because I'm not exactly sure. I know there's cash and I know there's indexing, but how does that work?
So you can have both of them increase if you structure it the right way. You can have your death benefit increasing, you can have your cash value, or you can have a level death benefit. So it's all about how your policy is going to work the most efficient. And that's why, again, you work with a professional like me to structure your policy. You know, the last, I think, benefit for police officers, Spike, is it is protected from civil judgment. So if an officer gets sued because of some type of act they have been accused of at the workplace, they cannot sue any type of cash value, so it's protected by the life policy.
Oh, wow. And now, well, I've heard you talk about having your life insurance policy actually kick in while you're in the line of duty. You've got a more likely chance of winning the California state lottery or getting hit by lightning. But it is more often that a police officer is sued. So by having this outside policy, you're actually protecting your money from the career.
And that type of action is qualified immunity. They're all protected from that type of action. But as we've seen the culture of police work erode, now you're seeing a lot more civil suits go against police officer personally. So having money in this type of policy protects their cash value.
Alex, as a financial advisor, thank you so much for talking about the separate benefits of having life insurance. Folks, if you're interested in having outside life insurance for yourself outside of your work plan, please click on the link below, use the QR code. We'd be glad to sit down and have a conversation with you.